In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome and set it as your default browser in Windows, step by step. This is a quick and useful fix if you want the latest Chrome features, better performance, improved security, and want every link you open to automatically launch in Chrome instead of another browser. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu icon. This is the main menu where Chrome keeps its settings, tools, and update options. After that, move your mouse down to the Help option near the bottom of the list. When the Help submenu appears, click About Google Chrome. Chrome will now automatically check for updates. You don't need to search anywhere else or manually download an installer. If an update is available, Chrome will begin downloading and installing it automatically in the background. This is one of the easiest ways to keep your browser secure because Google Chrome handles the update process for you. Just wait for the update to finish. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this may only take a few moments. Once the update is complete, you'll see a blue Relaunch button appear. Click that button to restart Chrome and finish installing the update. When Chrome opens again, you'll be running the latest version. Keeping Chrome updated is important because it helps protect you from security issues, fixes bugs, and makes sure you get the newest browser improvements. Now that Chrome is updated, let's set it as your default browser in Windows. This step is important if you want all website links, email links, and browser shortcuts to open in Chrome automatically. To do that, click the Windows Start menu and open Settings. If you prefer, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus I to open Settings faster. Inside Settings, click Apps, then choose Default Apps from the left side panel. This is where Windows lets you choose which programs open different file types and web links by default. Scroll through the list until you find the web browser category. On many Windows computers, this will be set to Microsoft Edge by default. Click the current browser icon under Web Browser. A pop-up list will appear showing the browsers installed on your computer. From that list, select Google Chrome. Once you choose Chrome, Windows will set it as the default browser for web links and browsing activity. At this point, your browser is both updated and set correctly as the default. That means when you click a website link from email, documents, or other apps, it should open directly in Chrome. If you ever want to double-check, you can come back to default apps anytime and confirm that Chrome is still selected. And that's it. You've now updated Google Chrome and set it as your default browser in Windows. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.